Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. On this video, I'll be sharing with you how to make ginger garlic paste at home and how you can store this in the freezer for long and to also make your work easier. And I started off by preparing my ginger, garlic and also turmeric like you can see here, and I'm just going to cut them into small pieces so that we can move on to the next step. The orange one that looks like a carrot, that's actually turmeric. You could not tell the difference when I had not peeled them. So into a blender, you're going to add enough cooking oil depending on the amount of ginger garlic paste that you'd like to make. To that, you're going to add salt, and salt is a preservative and so is turmeric. That is actually why I added the turmeric, just for preservation purposes. And this is what you get after blending them together for like 3 minutes. I just want to show you guys the consistency of the paste that I like. That is why I'm pouring it here. Like you can see, this is what I prefer, and I believe this is the perfect paste. It is not too runny and neither is it too thick. And remember, do not add any water. If any liquid is needed, just add cooking oil, cooking vegetable oil, and this is how it looks like. And since I want to store mine in the freezer for a longer time, these are the molds that I do use. I'm just going to pour this paste into the molds like you can see here, so that whenever I want to use, I'm just going to be picking one cube at a time, and it makes my work so much easier. Now if you'd like to store this as in a glass jar, you can just put an airtight glass jar and put it in the fridge, and you can use this for up to a maximum of a month. That is what I usually did, but now I had enough in the fridge, so I just wanted to freeze this. So just go ahead and put the mixture using a spoon to make the work easier. Put it into the mold like you see here, and this is how everything turned out. And then you're just going to close the lid, the mold like you can see here. Just shake to remove any air bubbles, and then you're going to close the lid and put it in the freezer. It is actually so easy to do this, guys, and I do like to do this just to save me time during the week and whenever I am cooking. So thank you so much for watching, and if you'd like to watch another video on this channel, please do. It does support my content, and see you on there. Bye bye.